This is David Avery with Intermountain Radiator, and we're doing a series on radiator cooling systems. The reason we're doing this series is I was looking on the web, and I've been in the radiator cooling system business for 31 years and haven't been able to find anything that I thought was a real good explanation on the web and real simple. So we decided to do some of these videos and link them to our website in case anybody's got questions. We're always here to help. We're going to start off with the basic cooling system overview. This is a 1994 Toyota truck. This is actually our delivery truck, and what you've got is you've got a radiator, you've got some hoses, you've got a water pump, a thermostat, and then you've got the coolant that runs through the system. Now the way this works is the coolant actually takes the heat out of the motor, is pumped via the water pump up through the thermostat, through the hoses, and into the radiator, and the radiator cools the liquid off. The radiator does that by radiation, and what happens is the coolant goes through the tubes, and then the heat's transferred from the coolant to the tubes, from the tubes to the fins, and the fins to the air. So you also got to have air motion across the vehicle, or you're going to have problems with overheating. So as you can see, we're focused kind of on the radiator right now. That's the top of the radiator. There's a radiator cap. Caps are important too. For every pound of pressure you put on the system, it raises the boiling point of the liquid 1.5 degrees at sea level. The next thing to be interested in is going to be the thermostat. The thermostat on this is kind of buried, so we've moved some stuff out of the way, and I'm going to use a pointer so that you can see this is the thermostat housing, and underneath that housing is the thermostat. And what a thermostat does is it allows the coolant to reach a certain temperature before it opens, so it keeps the motor running at a precise temperature. In the old days, it didn't matter. If you had an older car, probably pre-1980, you could run your car at 160 degrees, and the car didn't really care. Nowadays, the newer cars, this car actually has EFI, which is electronic fuel injection, and that's what this thing right here is. And because of that, it's designed to run at 200 degrees or above. And what that does is it gives you better fuel efficiency, it gives you better mileage. So if I were to take the thermostat in this truck and drop it down to 160 degrees, that would not be a good thing. It's going to mess with the way that the car operates and runs. It's going to mess with the fuel efficiency, and it may even keep you from being able to smog it. So that's a short overview of how a cooling system works. The water pump, which we can't really get to and can't see on this, of course, is down in the middle of the motor. Let me move around here and kind of point you in that direction. The water pump on this one is right down in there, and you can barely see it. The fan's attached to it, and the light's kind of in the way. See where that fan is right there? Well, on the back side of that fan is the water pump, and it's what pumps the water through the system. That's our short overview of cooling systems. The next video we're going to do is we're going to do one on the radiator and how it really works, and that's the next project. Thanks for listening. You can always go to our website, www.intermountainradiator.com. We have links there to different places that are of interest, and we also have a phone number there. I'm always happy to help you out if you need something. Don't hesitate to call us. We're always here to help. Thanks. Bye.